process of making me visible. It is impossible for me to address all the meetings. So I have to be choosy and selective about which meetings, that I can come to meet with you one-on-one to be able to, for you to see me, I see you, and then you, hear me out. So there are still 1,001 out there. But we have posters, we have flyers, we have a Facebook page, we have also, website where each and every one of you could play a very, very specific role. Be it hanging out my poster in your window, place of work, talking to friends, sharing out, the small flyers and cards, and mobilizing as many people as possible to say, I believe in this man and I hope you do believe in me. Please, join this journey to the European Parliament, because I am going there for us. And I am not saying this just because it sounds good. Those of us who live in Ostend know that what I am saying is a fact, because I got elected for the first time in 2006 as councillor. And in the first 6 years of my mandate, from 2006 to 2012, I did nothing other than social policy. I was then councillor for social affairs, like some of you know what they call the OCM way. So I served as councillor at the OCM way, where we take decisions recommended by the social assistants on who gets paid, who gets admitted into, Article 60, like some of you will know, whose application for, urgent medical care is accepted, and, all sorts of, different things. Those of us, like I said, who are from that part of Flanders, Ostend, know the difference that has actually taken place between 2006 and 2012. The records are there to speak for themselves. And then in 2013, I moved on to the City Council of Ostend, where my portfolio got expanded. So apart from social policy, I now do the economy, international development, and equality rights. Again, that couldn't have happened if not for the support that my brothers and sisters in Ostend actually gave to me during the election, because my party, based on the activities of people like me and Walter the Free, moved from just 2 seats up to 5 seats at the local council. That is not an easy task. And then the party decided that it would be time for me to move on to the European Parliament if elected. Now, does that mean running away from all the responsibilities in Ostend when elected? Certainly not, because that is home, that remains a place that I will always return back to. But there are 1,001 things that can only be solved right from the European Parliament, and that is why it makes sense to make that move. But then again, I want to emphasize and re-emphasize that it will be absolutely impossible without the help of one and all. Ending, gentlemen and ladies, I want to reiterate the basis of my appeal. My appeal is, please, on the 25th of May, when you go into that polling booth, remember the name Collins Mweke at the European list. I am number 11 on that list under the Green Party. And in the run-up to the 25th, gentlemen, please mobilize as many people as you can to preach this gospel of voting the right man. And I believe I'm the right man. Sorry if that is sounding a bit...